Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. What you're looking at is a Gen 2 Great Dane that's probably going to be the next restore that we do on the channel. Actually, it's not going to be much of a restore. All I'm going to do is swap the motor and of course air the tire up. Oh no, I'm out of fuel. Dadgummit. I'm back. Let's go put like an ounce of fuel on this mower. Okay. Let's get some fuel on this thing. Of course it would run out. I'm just gonna give it a sip because I think the gas tank's leaking. All right. Let's see if she'll start. Back up. Choke. Throttle. Okay. Back in business. I just want y'all to kind of see what the condition of these mowers are in before I tear into them. This one's been sitting for only 653 hours on this machine. It's kind of funny that this thing's even running. Normally when you sling a rod on one side, that whole engine just self-destructs. Kind of see the pitting of the steel in the deck. These have pretty thin decks anyway, so I might have to, after I scrape off that powder coat, I might have to put a piece of steel right there if it's too thin. This mower is kind of like the granddaddy of stand-ons, I guess you could say. As far as I know, this is one of the first companies that did a stand-on mower. So I think this will be a fun little project to restore this one to at least a workable condition. I'm not going to go to the extent of painting the mower, but I will get it to where it runs and it's not screaming where the spindles are so bad. You know what? I'll go ahead and fire it up and let y'all hear what these spindles sound like. I'm just gonna flip it back onto the barn Got this mower for a very good deal, and I happen to have a 16 horsepower Vanguard that's on another mower that I'm just planning on scrapping. I'm going to pull that motor, pop it on here, and I'm probably just going to slime the rear tires. They're dry rotting pretty bad, and get it to where this is going to be in a working condition. Anyway, thanks for watching this little teaser trailer. Hope you guys like the videos to come as I swap this motor out. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to flip it back onto the barn.